You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly and clarify the pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, stay tuned. English pronunciation, British English pronunciation. We'll get to German in just a second. Meir, Meir. American English. Meir, Meir. German pronunciation is generally pronounced as Meir. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.